Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your Birdfy camera isn't connecting, it can stop you from accessing live video, recordings, and all the smart features you expect. Sometimes the setup never completes, while other times the camera appears in the app but refuses to come online. This type of problem can happen for several reasons, including network settings, phone permissions, or an incomplete pairing process. The good thing is that you don't always need to reset the camera to solve it. A few targeted checks can often identify the cause and get everything connected again. In this video, I'll walk you through some common causes and the fixes you can try. Verify your Wi-Fi network name hasn't changed since the last setup. 2. Keep your phone and camera close together during the connection process. 3. Turn off any active VPN or private DNS on your phone temporarily. 4. Reboot your router and wait until the internet is fully restored. 5. Reconnect the camera through the Birdfy app and confirm it appears online.